After I found this recipe, I only make spaghetti this way. To begin, we'll fill a pot with hot water. Add salt, olive oil, and we'll put 7 ounces of spaghetti. Let's cook it. In a pan, we'll put some olive oil and we'll fry 7 ounces of meat. Let's add salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic. In a bowl, we'll put 1 cup of water, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of flour. Let's mix. Take this moment to leave me in the comments from which city you're watching. As soon as the video ends, I'll answer you and send you a special hug. In a pan, we'll put some olive oil and we'll fry 1 onion, 1 tomato, half a green bell pepper, half a yellow bell pepper, and 1 carrot. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like the video, that really helps our work. Now let's add the meat and the sauce. We'll cover the pan for a while, and then we'll add the spaghetti. At the end of the video, leave me a grade from 1 to 10. And our delicious recipe is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!